Investing on N26 is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To get started, you need to have an N26 account, which you can open by downloading the N26 mobile app and following the registration process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Invest section of the app, where you will find an overview of the available investment options. N26 offers a range of investment products, including index funds and ETFs, which are diversified and low cost before investing. It is essential to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider how much you want to invest, how long you want to invest for, and how much risk you are willing to take. To invest, select the investment product you are interested in and click on it to view more details. You will see the investment amount, the expected return, and the risk level. If you are satisfied with the details, enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transaction. It is crucial to have a well-diversified portfolio to minimize risk. N26 offers pre-built portfolios that are diversified across different asset classes, which can be a good starting point for beginners. You can also customize your portfolio by selecting individual investment products. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. You can do this by monitoring the performance of your investments and rebalancing your portfolio as needed. In addition to investing, N26 also offers a range of educational resources to help you improve your investment knowledge. These resources include articles, videos, and webinars that cover topics such as investment strategies, risk management, and portfolio diversification. By following these steps and best practices, you can invest on N26 with confidence. Remember to always do your research, set clear financial goals, and regularly review your portfolio to ensure you are on track to achieving your investment objectives.